Suggandi, count the number of windows and get curtains for all of them. Yes, sir. Yes, come in. Have you bought the curtains? Yes, sir. Okay, now let's put them.
10 minutes later.
We have covered all the windows, but there are 2 left. Why did you buy extra curtains? For the windows and the computer. Suggandi, today I'll teach you how to make a sweet. It is very simple. You have to keep stirring it until it's reduced to half. Yes, sir. I have been stirring it for an hour, and there's barely any difference in the quality of milk. I got an idea. Why aren't you making the sweet Suggandi? It's ready, sir. It's ready? Impossible! It should have taken another hour at least. How did you get it reduced to the half so fast? Easy. Kept drinking it as I stirred. How is business, ma'am?
Dull. My competitor is doing much better.
I heard that he is making buy one get one offer. Why don't you try it?
I can't afford to give one sandwich free. I don't know how he does that.
I got an idea. Why don't you keep this offer? Buy one, pay for 2. Please like, share,